In this video, we will be analyzing the cloud product, Nextcloud. We will cover its features, history, use cases and more. If you want to know how Nextcloud compares to other cloud products like Dropbox, kindly watch to the end. So let's get straight into the video. What is Nextcloud? You can have an online store, and share files with the open-source Nextcloud tool. It is a cloud solution that is open source. It lets you have free access and synchronize your data between mobile and computer devices, as well as share information with multiple people, users or not. You have complete control over your data with this tool, including where it is stored, how it is shared, and how it is deleted. It was first developed in 2016. It has features that are comparable to those of Dropbox and other services. For creating and utilizing file hosting services, the Nextcloud suite of client-server software is available. It has extensive support options and is suitable for use in businesses. Because it is open source and free, anyone can install and use it on their own private servers. It can be hosted on-premise or in the cloud. It is adaptable from workspace arrangements, in view of the minimal expense Raspberry Pi, the whole way through to standard server farm arrangements that help a large number of clients. Several members of the original Own Cloud team worked on Nextcloud, a fork of the original project. Although they share many similarities, the interfaces and license agreements of the two projects, particularly for the enterprise editions, are distinct. How does Nextcloud work? When you use Nextcloud to upload data to a server, you make it accessible from any internet-connected device. Naturally, a password protects the files. As a result, you can use a web browser to view and manage your data. A Nextcloud EDM can be used as a straightforward and dependable alternative for services like WeTransfer under these circumstances. This means that you should share your directory with third parties, regardless of whether or not they use your Nextcloud. However, file sharing is not the only use for Nextcloud Enterprise solutions. You can customize your multimedia library, calendar, contacts, bookmarks, and other features with an extension system accessible to you. It also makes it possible to integrate a number of additional online exchange services, such as OpenStack Swift, Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, or another Nextcloud server. Nextcloud can be quickly set up and running by individuals and small businesses if it is well optimized. However, as a company, you require more than just software. You also require assurance that the project environment is secure, monitored, tracked, and dependable. Moving on, some of the features of Nextcloud includes 1. Nextcloud is available for local installations, external hosting, a dedicated server, or a virtual private server, VPS. Its accessibility is also a benefit because it allows users to work from any location and at any time. 2. It is flexible and adjusts to every working framework. It has the same main features as the collaboration tools, and is available as an application for iOS, Android, or Linux devices. In fact, encryption, file sharing, document storage, and data synchronization are all options. 3. It enables online file editing and note-taking. The primary advantages of Nextcloud include data safety and security. This platform offers 3 choices: Groupware, for project management, Talk, for discussions, and Files, for documents. 4. There are apps for the calendar, contacts, notes, and tasks on the web interface. Using the WebCal framework, calendars can be easily synced with all mobile devices. The DAV Droid app makes it simple to sync contacts, calendars, and tasks with Android devices. The Nextcloud Notes app makes it easy to sync notes with Android. 5. A large number of plugins designed specifically for Nextcloud can be added to enhance the file-sharing capabilities of the platform. Since Nextcloud was made to be used in teams, its large community regularly makes new apps or plugins. A complete video conferencing solution, a password manager, a software suite, and many more are among those that are already available. 6. The built-in music player of Nextcloud makes it an excellent online media streaming server. In tests, the Android app was a little more finicky about which media files it would play in full screen mode, despite the fact that all videos showed up fine in Android. Even when streaming content using an external player like VLC, Android occasionally had issues. 7. Nextcloud also lets mobile devices automatically upload photos. Photos taken with your iPhone or Android device are automatically uploaded using this handy feature. It gives you fine-grained control over which folders are monitored, unlike other storage apps, and you can also specify that uploads only take place over Wi-Fi or something else. 8. Additionally, Nextcloud eliminates the need for FTP, or other file transfer methods by letting users generate public URLs for file sharing. A safe and effective file sharing platform, Nextcloud shares files via WebDAV and encrypts them during transit. In addition, the software is made to work with database management systems, like MySQL and Oracle Database, giving your cloud storage network an extra layer of data management. It's easy to see why so many people have started using Nextcloud for their storage needs because of its wide range of features. Before we talk about the benefits of using Nextcloud, if you are getting value from this video, kindly click on the like button, and share this video to people that it will be of great interest. Welcome back and thanks for staying tuned. Let's talk about the benefits of using Nextcloud. Nextcloud allows you to use your server as a full-fledged cloud service, and is simple to install and use. You can begin using Nextcloud to store and share your data, now that you know what it is and what it does. When you use this kind of service, you don't have to worry about the GDPR because your data is stored on your own server and within your own business. Additionally, Nextcloud is very adaptable. It can be installed on a variety of server configurations, including bare metal servers. To fully customize the way Nextcloud works, you can also install a variety of apps. Nextcloud gives you complete control over who has access to what and for how long, as well as excellent data security. Additionally, it provides excellent data portability. You can use your data anywhere at any time by downloading it. Cross-platform. Linux users can install the Nextcloud server software for free, while Windows, OS X, and Linux users can install the client software. Apps for mobile devices are also available for iOS and Android. Additionally, you can use any WebDAV client, or app with your Nextcloud instance, due to the fact that Nextcloud synchronizes files using WebDAV. However, any modern browser on any platform can be used to access and manage the entire Nextcloud functionality. Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly talk about how safe is Nextcloud. Utilizing a third-party file hosting service can be just as secure as Nextcloud and other similar services. In fact, your private cloud may be even more secure if you set it up in the right way. You can host your data on your own server with Nextcloud. This indicates that the data is not kept on a server owned by a third party and located in a different country. It is kept on a server that belongs to you. This indicates that you are accountable for the safety and upkeep of your server. By establishing a virtual private network, VPN, you can improve the security of your server. Your internet service provider cannot see what you're doing because a virtual private network encrypts all of your network traffic. By preventing anyone with access to the VPN server from viewing your data, it also contributes to the protection of your data. In conclusion, you have full access to all of Nextcloud's features if you set up your own instance, either self-hosted or on your own web space. If you go the easy way and let a Nextcloud partner set up a fully hosted cloud for you, it will decide which features your account can use. While premium accounts typically provide full administrator access, which enables you to install apps and control private content, free fully hosted accounts typically restrict access to features like file versioning and end-to-end encryption. The self-hosted file storage service Nextcloud offers excellent data portability and security. You can also share files with your team, and work on documents together. If you want complete control over your data, and want to avoid data breaches caused by third-party file hosting services, Nextcloud is the best choice. Nextcloud allows you to use your server as a full-fledged cloud service, and is simple to install and use. You can begin using Nextcloud to store and share your data now that you know what it is and what it does. This all we got for you today. I hope this video is of value to you. Are there things about Nextcloud that we omitted? Kindly share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification if you haven't done so you will be notified when next we post a new video.